Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your PlayStation 5 says it's preparing to turn off or enter rest mode and it's completely stuck and frozen. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if it's stuck or frozen on the screen and it won't shut down, you can manually turn it off. Now you could try holding down the power button and see if this will beep. So if you hold this down, you will hear one beep initially, and then you will hear another beep, and this will manually shut it off. Now, if it doesn't shut off when you do that, you will have to unplug it from the wall outlet. So, flip your PlayStation 5 around, and then grab the power cord, and just yank this out, and unplug it. Now, this shouldn't harm your console whatsoever, but when you plug it back in, it will bring you to like a screen that says you unplugged it improperly, and it may have to repair your console storage, which shouldn't take very long. So there is a chance if you're playing like a game or something that you might lose some progress in your game. So just be prepared for that. If you have everything backed up with PlayStation Plus to the cloud, you shouldn't have to worry about losing much game data. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.